Hi guys! Today's vlog is going to be about beauty. Today's vlog is about hair coloring, and it's not me going to any salon but doing it here at home.
As you can see, my hair is up on a bun because Ate Lana colored my hair. We're just waiting for it to finish and we will see the result.
I got this Wella Koleston Naturals in Mocha, number 573. I badly needed to color my hair because I already have new growth. So technically my hair is half black and half brown. So I decided that I need to color my hair so that it doesn't look awfully weird having two shades, black and brown. I chose this color because I don't want my hair to turn so blonde. So as you can see, if I have a dark brown hair, the color will be like this. This will be the outcome. So it's been an hour and I'm going to rinse my hair. I'm gonna use this conditioner that comes in the box.
Aside from my soul, there goes a sight, there goes a sight. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul.
Can you see the color? It looks pretty. It's like a little bit of red, but it's actually brown. And from behind it is dark, all dark color. And when there's light, there's a backlight, you can see that the color is merging from dark brown to a little bit of reddish brown. So I'm very happy with the result of coloring my hair at home. To be honest, it's not so hard. I wanted to say thank you to my daughter, Lana, for doing my hair, for helping me color my hair today. I love you.